Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page name with the new update or with the new process. Actually, whenever we create Facebook page, that time we gave some name, right? And later we need to change our that Facebook page name from our mobile phone. So if you don't know how to do that, then please watch my full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So for changing your Facebook page name, you will need to go to, first of all, Play Store, and after that you need to update your Facebook application first. Okay, so let me go there, and right now I need to update my Facebook application first, and after updating it, just click here open option. And right now I assume that this is your Facebook profile, okay, and in your Facebook profile you have your Facebook page. Okay, so first of all you will need to go to your Facebook page. So for that, just click here three dot line, and then you will find out here your page option, and if you don't find, that time you need to click here see more. Then in the bottom you will find your page option. Okay, so let me click here this page option, and after that there you can see this is my page. So let me click this one, and right now you need to click here switch option so that you can go to your page directly. Okay, so let me click here switch option, and right now again go to this three dot line, then scroll down, then click here settings and privacy, then click here settings, and then click here page settings, this option, and after that again click here name, this option. Then this is my new name. Okay, so you can see in the first position, if you changes your name, you can change it again for 60 days. So make sure you don't want to change it again within 60 days because you couldn't change it anymore. Okay, so let me just choose here another name, which is suppose rare iTech or just rare blog. Okay, so just choose this name, this is my Facebook page name. So after that, let me click here review change, this option, and right now you can see there is my rare technology, this is current page name, you can see, and new page name which is rare blog. So if I click here submit for approval, then let me show you, and it will send some OTP code to your WhatsApp. So if you have WhatsApp in your that number, that time you can receive that code and you can paste it in here. But if you don't have, that time let me click here try another way, and after that you can get this code in your Gmail account also. Okay, and let me click here see more option, and you will also get your text code number in text messages also. Okay, so I choose my Gmail, so let me click here continue, this option, and after that let me collect this code from my Gmail account. So after giving your code number, just click here continue, this option, and wait for few times. After approval you will see your page name already available in your page. Okay, so just wait for 24 hours or more than that, and after that you can see your page name already changed. So that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can change your Facebook page name with the new update or with the new process. And please let me know why do you want to change your Facebook page name. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks, do comment, give like and do subscribe.